Hey there. Today I faced with some issue with my old filter and decided to buy new. One of them I already installed experimentally because I didn't find any videos instructions detailed. Now I want to make one. Maybe it will be useful for someone. Disclaimer: I'm not a professional plumber, so if you are experienced and know how to make something better or see any mistakes in my pipeline, please leave a comment below. I will read and pin it. My new filter do not require any assembly, except manometer. I will show this process further. First of all, you need to twist to zero pressure on your new filter. You also can adjust scale on top, but in my case I don't need it. Do it gently, and no extra force needed. Then turn off the valve with incoming water and relieve pressure from pipe by open water tap. Do not close it to avoid splashing when unscrew nuts. Be sure that the drain valve on filter is closed. After that you can detach drain pipe from filter. To avoid distribution of canalization smell, you can lock pipe temporarily. Let's get started removing old filter. Don't forget to check pipes for stuck gaskets to prevent leakage in further. In my case, one stuck on filter and one fell out on floor. Time to place new gaskets on both sides. Tighten by hands a bit to hold filter on pipes and fix completely by spanner them. Don't forget to lock drain valve if you didn't, as I before. Then you will need to place the drain pipe on a drain out, but in my case I couldn't cause diameter wasn't fit on. Lock the tap, check all stages and give the pressure. No crucial issue detected after that. Lucky. Only now we need to set up required pressure for consumers. Open the tap to drain some water to equalize the pressure in pipe. Check the pressure on manometer after that. It's time to check leakages on nuts. I got one. To fix it, we will need to lock valve again, relieve water, unscrew manometer, dry hole and seal thread. I'm using PTFE tape to sealing, and I don't want to use plumbing glue because I broke manometer on my previous filter. Brass turned out to be weaker. Screw the manometer back into place. I didn't set their pressure on reductor when removing manometer, just turned off water and now turn on. No leakage at this time. Now drain some water needed, and that's all. Thanks for watching. Hope that this video will be useful for you.